Hey guys, Czar here back with you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. I had a no trade morning this morning with this grind going into this zone here and into yesterday's prior day's high. So nothing for me to do. But now we have pulled back all of a sudden here. You see this 30-minute chart, guys? Right into that zone that I sent to my group this morning. The zone's here, here, and of course here. I've just revised it up to those two equal body tops. And I'm just going to watch for a while here and see what kind of structure we get. A little extended pulling back into the open range, since the open range does often serve as support if being approached from above, of course, and resistance if being approached from below. I'm going to let this sit for a while. That's a little too extended for me, but this 30-minute certainly is favoring the idea of possibly rounding down. New 30-minute candle just started. I'll put you on pause and bring you back. All right, guys, we're back. Just bringing out a marker here, doing a little bit of measuring, a little bit of thinking. All right, guys, so 1R. See my cursor over here on the 30-minute chart? There's 1R. Be in the middle of that big candle there, not a problem. 2R would be all the way down here at the bottom of that wick. Also, not a major problem. Stop above the pivot and the open range, and above that body, that first body that closed into the open range. Sell stop order, guys, live order. Here we go. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. First trade of the day. And now it's the waiting game. And target one has been hit, guys. And so the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even. And now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. All right, guys, I'm back. And why am I short? Well, hopefully it's fairly self-explanatory, but we have a bear market, guys. We are in major correction here. Big sell down. We had this nice strong finish yesterday on a bit of a rebound. Today the rebound continued, but was not able to sustain a rally beyond yesterday's high, even though that yesterday's high was on a spike on fake news. Right here, you see that there? And this news wasn't even justified, didn't actually happen. Prices got back there, and everybody that got suckered into that move unloaded right in through here on the 1-minute chart. You see that there? Then all of a sudden, there was a very distinctive change in sentiment. This is a shift move, guys. Going from a sloppy grind this morning in a tug of war to a, I guess you could call it a very choppy, grindy impulse higher into a very solid impulse lower, slicing right through the open range with no trouble whatsoever. 9 flipping below the 21, both EMAs dropping sharply. A nice little orderly pullback, essentially tagging the top of the open range and the 21 EMA, and then break below prior low, below the open range. And all of this happening in the context of this extended move, measured move higher. First piece, second piece into a zone that goes back to this area here from Friday. Friday, the fake news spike, extended move, 2 equal body tops, break below prior 30-minute candle low, and then another break below candle low, and that's my entry right there, right there, for a continuation lower. And target 2 has been hit, guys, so the 1.5R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits as well. And we're back, guys, and as you can see, we have pulled all the way back to my original entry. And so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has now been stopped out at break even. Now we'll wait and see if we pull all the way back or if the 2R all or nothing trader can make some money here today. It's not looking good for them, is it? And there it is, guys. Finally, took a while. Had to be a little bit patient here today, but finally paid off. A nice 2R win. Have an amazing afternoon. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. We'll talk to you soon.